Hi all. Today we're going to walk through a time value of money problem, and in this time value of money problem we are going to be solving for the future value. The problem that we're going to be working through is it goes as a self-employed person deposits $1,250 annually in a retirement account that earns 5.5% interest. And the way I've set my spreadsheet up is to the left we have the interest rate we're going to need, the number of payments, the actual payment amount, future value, and then the type we really are not going to need, and then we're going to have the present value. To the right, I set up what's called a data block. In this data block, we are going to put in, obviously, our data. So the first piece of information we're going to put in is going to be the payment amount. And this payment amount was $1,250, and personally, I like to have it down to the I like to have it out 2 decimal places. It makes it look professional. I also like to color code all the numbers that we can change. And the next thing we're going to plug in here is the rate. And the rate that they give us is 5.5%. And that is all they've given us in the question so far. The next part of the question goes, how much will be in the account at age 62 if the savings program, if the person starts saving at age 50? So, what I'm going to now do is, again, I'm going to put in the pertinent information that they give us. The age right now is 50. And then they also give us the retirement age, which is 62. So from our data block right here, we can go ahead and we can start plugging in and solving our time value money problem. So the first thing we have is an interest rate, and our interest rate is going to be the 5.5. So we're going to put an equal sign. We're going to click on our 5.5 and hit enter. The number. Now they don't explicitly give us the number, however implicitly we can figure this out. And the simple way to figure this out is to press your equal sign. Retirement age is 62, so you click on that, you hit your minus sign, and then you click on how old you are now. And that gives us the number is 12. The next thing we need to plug in is our payment. Press your equal sign, click on your payment, and hit your enter. Future value, they don't give us a future value. In any time value money problem, they have to give you 4 of the 5 parameters. If you are missing a parameter, that is what you need to solve for. So we're looking for the future value. We want to know what the savings will be in the future, so we'll do that blank right now. The present value, they don't tell us, again in this question, they don't tell us how much is in the account. When the question does not tell you how much is in the account, you automatically assume it's 0. That's the only assumption you can possibly make. Now that we have 4 of the 5 parameters filled in, we're going to go back to the 5th one, which is our future value. To solve the future value, we're going to start with our equal sign. Then we're going to type in FV. We're going to open up a parenthesis. And now the bold part right here is rate, so we're going to click on the rate and we're going to hit a comma. Then it's going to call the NPR, the number of years. We're going to press that, hit our comma. Then it's going to ask for the payment. Go over to a payment, hit our comma. And then type, we're not going to worry about the type. The only other one we have is the present value. And we click on the present value. And then we're going to close our parenthesis after the present value and hit enter. And it comes up with a negative sign, which is no big deal. The way to get rid of that is to click between the equal sign and the FV and put a negative sign up there and hit enter. And now we have our $20,481.99. And the next question we're going to go over, we'll call this 1B. The way I like to structure my assignments that I do is I will take my information here, I will copy it, and then I will paste it underneath, Control V. And now the only thing we have to do now is go to the 1B. How much additional money will be in the account if the saver defers retirement until age 66 and continues to contribute their payments until that date? For this question 2B, the only thing that we're changing is retirement age from 62 to 66. So we just change the 62 to the 66, hit the enter key, and it automatically calculates the new future value. The only caveat you have to understand and remember is with the question it tells you how much additional money is needed. In order to find the additional money, the simple step is to press your equal sign, take your 30,000 and you're going to subtract it from your 20,000 and change, and now you have additional money needed. For all my answers, what I always do, I like to highlight them in yellow. I'm sorry, redo this. I like to make the background yellow, and it just helps with it. Gives a more professional feel. So this is how you solve your this is just an example of how to solve the future value in an Excel spreadsheet. Hopefully this will be of some assistance, and thank you very much.